So there I was, just surfing the net, minding my own business, and I saw a website called Excel Mandarin. I hit the button and it changed everything. Whatever languages you want to learn, Chinese is one you've got to learn. Excel Mandarin, my sway, see how I didn't mean to drive him crazy now. Xing thank God for Slack. All the Leoshis have your back. Zoom to Taiwan is lots of fun, unless you didn't get your homework done. Oops. Alina said, "And Gaoxing Rinchini." I said, "Are you talking to me?" We started listening to Lily and Ben. By lesson 9, they were living in sin. 星期三我们说汉语 We went to Fondian and 买一本书 Learning Mandarin was lots of fun, until we closed the door on HSK 1. 我们没就上的3次 Then it's do Chinese and Quizlet for sure. 所以中文意味着你永不放弃 How to shoot mean a book and a tree. Excel Mandarin 是最好的，唯一的最需要我想的。Excel Mandarin 真的很在乎 Even if sometimes I don't 明白 you. 星期七 and I'm reading a 中国书 That is something that I never thought I would do. 当时好有很多东西要学 I was thinking I might just 跑不 away. 随着时间的推移，我学到了更多。聊学习怎么做的 I'll never know. Learning languages sure to bring pain. Never try it with a 69-year-old brain. By the time I got to Q2, Q3, I was wishing 我住在北京。有人交谈和集中山 Now I'm thinking Excel Mandarin 怎么样？我们每周上课3次 Then it's do Chinese and Quizlet for sure. 所以中文意味着你永不放弃 How can shoot mean a book and a tree? Excel Mandarin 是最好的，唯一的最需要我想的。Excel Mandarin 真的很在乎 Even if sometimes I don't 明白 you. Yeah, life is all about change. But is that 变化 变的改变 变 Ooh, maybe I just won't change it all. Nah, I owe this Leosha crew at Excel Mandarin. They gave me 100%, so 该睡死了 Just remember, you can 大巴士 but just leave that Feiji alone. I don't even know how that all works. Some things are better left a mystery. Thank you, Excel Mandarin. You've got heart. The biggest scene I've ever seen.